magic, Sylvester.
Thank you, Lola.
Sorry, Sylvester.
What are we brewing up today, Looney Crew?
We're gonna deck out the Looney HQ cave for the trick-or-treaters coming tonight. Tweety and I will hang up spooky decorations. Bugs and Petunia will handle the witch's brew and fog machine. Porky and Wily are carving jack-o'-lanterns to light the driveway. And Daffy is taking care of the candy. Let's haunt this headquarters!
Approved. Oh, the trick-or-treaters are coming.
All right, places, everyone.
Happy Halloween! Follow me if you dare. Fresh witch's brew. There you go.
Wow, thank you, Bugs.
Follow me this way. Happy Halloween! A little help? Follow me for one more spooky surprise.
Ta-da! Abracadabra! Hocus pocus!
Who wants candy?
I do! Thanks, Looney.
Let's boogie! Hit it, Petunia!